This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hi, my name's John Ventrello. I'm the driver of the number 38 late model at the Grundy County Speedway. I drive under the Bradley Racing, and the car's pretty badass. It's not the fastest right now, but we're getting there. Give me a couple weeks, I'll be there at top. But we got a bunch of good sponsors. We got the Transformers for the kids. We got all our sponsors on here: Area Well and Pump, K&M Septic, R1 Graphics, Feast Oil, Bradley Racing, Tony's Pit Stop, Dandy Flooring, Bill's Speed Shop, and the car's got about 420 horsepower. It's 2-speed clutchless trans. It's pretty badass. It's quick, but it's great to drive. We decided to drive it this year because the kid that's supposed to drive it, Jake, passed away, and we're just driving in his memory this year. I've raced for this is my 17th year racing. I started in street stocks for about 9 years, went to Mid-America for a few years, and this is my first year in this car. But it's a great time. We're learning. Just trying to get more fans and people into it, because it's what it's all about.
Side down, right?
Yep, keeping the tires to the ground and the roof in the air.
What's the time that you like to race? During the morning, afternoon?
No, everything's at night. We don't get to race during the day too much because of the sun and school and work, but it's all right. It's a good time.
What would you say for new race wannabes? What would you say to encourage them?
I'd start in a go-kart. Start in a go-kart, work your way up. I got both my kids into the go-karts. My boy's just now getting into the stock cars. My daughter is going to be her first year in a go-kart this year. Yeah, you.
What?
Nothing.
Wait for the beer.
Yeah, I knew that wasn't going to happen. Thanks for watching.
Please enjoy the next video.